That kind of trust you have to make them understand so that they open up. The greatest threat is people don't open up at all. The fear is engulfing them and all. The psychological safety is not there. Okay, so how do we do that? First, listen without interrupting. People feel respected when they know. Okay, they are heard. Secondly, avoid immediate judgment. Don't judge anybody. Instead of saying that's a bad idea, give them that kind of a scope. Don't even if it is, see, many cases I want them to only speak. Even if they speak wrong, also no issues. If they give a vertical idea which is not conducive or it is irrelevant, also no issues. But they have to come out, because that is fear. The psychological safety has to be induced into them and not just creating a it is not that we are correcting the grammar or correcting the subject. It is not so, but we are correcting their psychological. So give them that kind of fearlessness to talk.